Let's get started creating a SharePoint site. So you'll navigate to your SharePoint Admin Center, and in the top left in the menu, select Active Sites from the Sites menu. Here you'll see all the sites that you have in your environment. At the top, select Create. So there's two different types of sites you can create: a Teams site and a communication site. So for an intranet site, communication site is usually the best because it's more about keeping everybody focused on the same project with a lot of communication going out, keeping everybody on the same page. A team site is definitely a private space where you're collaborating within a team, a set of people. Communication is meant for more people. So you click on it, and now you have the option of templates within Microsoft, or you may have templates within your organization. You find the template that you want to use, select it, and it gives you information about it to determine if that's the one you want to use. If it is, use template. Now, give your site a name. And you see that the site description is optional, the site address is filled in, and site owner. You can start typing in a user and add them in. Now, you get to select the language that you want it to be, as well as the time zone. Then, create site. So it is applying that template to the site, setting it all up based on how it looks, getting all the pages, the preset pages defaulted and ready to use. Once it's ready, that window goes away, and now you see the new site that you just created show up. If you click on the name of the site, it's going to open up the window over here where you can manage it. See the site information, name, and edit the name. The address, you can edit the address if you need to. Hub association, if it's part of a larger SharePoint intranet. When it was created and by whom, the domain. Then you can see the activity, what's happened recently. Membership, so who are the site admins, site owners, site members, site visitors, and then settings. So inside here, you can determine your file sharing. Right now, only people in the organization have access. And if you have any sensitivity levels, labels, those will be listed here as well. If you need to, if this is a site that you're done with, you can also delete it from this location as well. To access the site, since you are the one that created it, click on the URL, and it'll take you to that site. Once you're in the site and everything, once you're in the site and everything's loaded up, now you have the ability to edit it.